Come. Oh.
Oh, look at what Daddy done now.
Sorry. On this side? Look.
Yeah.
Pretty self-explanatory, Bob. You know, the fruit and vegetables on the bottom 2 rows. Meat on the second row.
Did you take everything out?
What do you mean I take everything out?
From the freezer.
No.
Throw away.
No. Frozen.
Oh, come to Mama. Come to Mama.
Meat.
What is that?
Why is it not working? Yeah.
Bow.
Why is it not working?
Let's show my love.
Go get the ball.
Show me. B. Because it's on my phone. Give me a second.
Oh!
So it's our first day back home. And Daddy Paris has been out already with Daddy Mike. Nag-grocery shopping sila. Ay, what did you do? Where did you go?
I don't know.
You don't know? Pasensyahan nyo na guys ang aking boses ay wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin bumabalik. Oh my God. But you know what? Since dumating kami ng Australia, Ate Paris started to feel better. Isn't that right? Feel better? Parang na-miss lang siguro niya ang Australia guys. Isang Australian talaga to siya.
Mommy's crying because she loves.
But, ang ating baby CELINE ngayon ang hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. At the moment, actually last night, baby CELINE had fever. Binigyan ko siya ng paracetamol. Pero mataas na naman yung lagnat niya ngayon. So binigyan ko na naman siya ng paracetamol. Yeah, kasi kakabigay ko lang ng paracetamol kaya naglalaro yan siya. Kanina ayaw niyang bumaba, nagpapakarga palagi.
Yay!
And yeah, Daddy Mike still not 100%.
Finish your mango first, quick.
But we went out before para bili ng mga kailanganin namin dito sa bahay. Hindi na kami sumama ni baby CELINE kasi Bo! Chupa! Po! Sa sipon. Sige, give to CELINE lang.
Now we're playing catch.
Yeah. Okay. Good girl. Kaninang umaga, ay, nag-move kami mga 4 o'clock yun siya, may lagnat. Nag-move kami sa kabilang kwarto. So, Daddy Mike si Ate Paris sa kabila.
Don't take stop.
Napakainit niya, my goodness. Ay, shush.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hello guys, I'm back home. Wait, careful. Gentle na.
Paris.
Lang. Say, I'm back. Ha? Namiss siguro niya ang Pilipinas na siya na naman yung may lagnat. Anyways, daming na pamili ni Daddy Mike, oh. Para hindi na kami pabalik-balik. Gumawa kasi ako ng listahan kagabi. Ito yung bibilihin natin. Dapat sasama kami. Kaya lang nga sa baby CELINE natin eh. Hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Ako, okay lang naman ako, guys.
Diba?
Yung, ano ko lang, ubo. Tsaka sipon. Pero wala naman akong lagnat. Tapos, kaya hindi nga lang bumalik pa yung boses ko. Bumili pa si Daddy Mike nito. Kailangan namin to, guys. Grabe, pagkabalik namin dito. Daming cockroach.
Oh! Where's the ball go?
May bagong brush. The Paris. And this ones, yep. Kailangan natin to. Para mag-absorb ng moisture. Milk. Yakult. Oh my God, ang aking boses, guys. Paano na lang ang aking singing voice nito? My singing voice is gone. My goodness. Hindi pa rin natapos. Hindi Mike sa kanyang organization. Okay? Gusto niya ipakita. Yan. Sa baba.
stuff I'll touch at the top.
Huh?
So at the top. That's all of our storage, packaging stuff there. Freezer bags. That's all of the snacks,
Yeah.
muesli bars, chips and stuff, whatever, popcorn up there.
May utap pa tayo, guys. Kalipas.
Rice crackers
Yeah.
and stuff. That all goes in that area. All your noodles can go here
Yeah.
because I've always got lots of them. And then on this one, so you've got your Filipino boxes at the back.
Yeah. Filipino boxes.
There's your oils on the side, and then you've got all of your like cupboard food, like cupboard cooking food, like your soups, tunas, corned beef, yeah, all of the soups, like I said.
Yeah.
Then you've got Asian sauces and stuff on the side, so that's your soy sauce, your oils, all that sort of stuff. Anything you need goes over there. Then on that side you've got the your baking stuff. Then all of our cereal
Yeah.
and toppings and spreads. And then all that side your pasta.
Yeah.
And the bottom you've got all your coffee, tea,
My coffee mate.
your rice. I've just put it down there for now. And
More
all of the
sauce.
pasta sauce.
Yeah. Oh,
Can't go wrong.
ganda.
And look at that is fridge.
Okay.
Huh?
Gusto niya pakita. Ganyan yan talaga siya. What is wrong, my
Come here, Papa.
little girl? Shush, shush, shush.
Come.
Katita.
Come to daddy.
Katita.
Come, daddy. Never come to dada. Come. Please.
Shush. Katita.
Oh, come. Oh.
Oh, look at what Daddy done now.
Sorry. On this side? Look.
Yeah.
Pretty self-explanatory, Bob. You know the fruit and vegetables on the bottom two rows. Meat on the second row. What Daddy did, if you're buying meat now, you know, like when I buy from the deli,
Yeah.
like I bought like 1.5 kilos of chicken thigh.
Yeah.
I don't want to keep it in the paper anymore.
You can see it.
No, because it gets warm. No, I don't think the cold penetrates through the paper.
Yeah.
So what I did is instead of keeping like 1.5 kilos sitting there, because I might not eat a kilo and a half, I took out like a portion that will cook. The rest is in the freezer.
Yeah, but sometimes we tend to forget what's in the freezer.
Yeah, but now
Did you take everything out?
Huh?
Did you take everything out?
What do you mean did I take everything out?
From the freezer?
Not
Throw away?
No, it's frozen.
Oh, come to mommy. Come to mama. Oh, shush, ang bata, oy.
See? Yeah. Meat. Whatever. No, it's not whatever.
Sabi na ni Mike, guys, pag bibili na kami ng meal namin, is kailangan planuhin na namin kung ano yung lulutuin namin. Kasi we tend to like throw a lot of food kasi hindi namin naluluto ba. So ngayon, kung ano yung gusto mo, kung magbili ka ng meat or vegetables, kanyan, alam mo na kung ano lutuin mo pa agad. Kasi nasasayang siya, guys. Like every, tinatapon namin yung mga meat pa. So that's something na, Daddy like, go ahead, Daddy. New Year resolution.
No,
Wait,
I told you
can I-
my New Year resolution was to
Ang boses.
talk to you more honestly.
What's your New Year resolution, Daddy?
To be open and talk honestly to you and not keep things to myself.
Tama pa.
Come have a look. Yogurts.
Yeah,
This doesn't go here.
it's my water. That's why it's
This is, what do you call this? What's the stuff called?
ingredients, spices.
Medicines. That doesn't belong there, but it's too late. They've already put it there. never put peanut butter in the fridge
Okay.
because it makes it like you
Hot.
can't spread it.
Yeah.
You just don't put any spread in the fridge. Nutella,
Hindi niya sobrang saya ko na okay na to siya.
liquids, eggs, obviously. Milks.
Milks. Yay, Daddy. Well done, Daddy. Thank you. Ling Ling. I love your necklace, honey girl. You gonna help Mama? Careful with your hand. Vacuum muna. Vacuum muna. Wow, your necklace is so cute. I love it. Ah, I love it. Look. Here you are. Here you are. Ano muna ako? Vacuum ako quickly. Oh, what you doing? Oh, ito nabili namin sa Pinas. Oh, look. Wow. Lalabas kami. Kasi kanina si Daddy Mike, nung grocery shopping sila, sinala niya yung trolley, di pa. Oh, wait, sa bahay kasi sobrang dami niyang binili. And, yeah, kasi walking distance lang, di ba? So, isa sa uli namin. And then, Daddy Mike wants to go for a drive. Gusto rin Ate Paris pumunta ng Kmart. Kaya lang, sarado ngayon kasi alam nyo, Australia Day today. Public holiday. Actually, kahapon yung Australia Day, pero ngayon yung public holiday. So we'll go for ano daw. Kasi yung sasakyan namin, tagal lang na, hala oh, naisip, asa nang key, dito pala nilagay. Ang dalawang key. Ayan. So, ano daw kami, mag-drive around. Walang plano kung saan pumunta. Shh! What are you doing lang? Are you checking the cupboards? Buti na lang to siya. Medyo okay na, guys. Pagkainom niya ng paracetamol kanina, nag-ano siya, she was sweating, and now she's better. What's in there lang? Ibot to na. We're going for a drive. It's dead. Oh, kahit saan talaga guys. Ganyan, oh.
There's so much chocolate.
Oh, no.
And the pretzels right there too.
They're everywhere.
Look. Oh, it was moving a little bit. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, niwang kayo, monkey.
Wait till you see. You wait till the weekend when we do the bomb.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah. Did I get enough? Wow. We're driving the car after 3 weeks.
Can I go inside?
The first time. Yeah, okay.
I forgot my birdie toy.
Which one?
I forgot my birdie toy. Mine.
Ah! Here it is. Ay, binili ko to siya pang ano.
What are you looking for?
Tingnan nyo, cabin luggage.
I found my
I
bag.
got it here. That's why I was looking for it. Kala ko nasa
I found
ano.
my bag.
Found your bag. Good job. Eh, put that on the side. Hang on.
I found my school hat.
What is it?
I found this school hat.
Oh, yeah. You don't need that anymore na. Kasi you're not candy anymore.
Mine, look.
Wow, paanohin natin ang makina niya kaya hindi siya naka-on for a long time.
That's my bird.
Your bird.
That's
Yeah.
one.
Lainey, it's time to go. You sit now. What are you doing? Go sit down now. You know how to put your seatbelt on. Go on the other side. Lainey. Oh, that's for going to the Philippines, anak. You don't need it anymore.
Ah, Paris.
You don't need it anymore.
What?
You don't need it anymore. 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 Come on, sit down.
Because we are ready when to
That's right.
and you already forgot it.
Silly.
Guys, put that back. The smelly stuff. Put that back.
I'll put that back. That's not a sweet.
I just want to hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just going to hold it.
Yeah, but no, I think it's
It's not very nice now. Can you give some? Kasi mapin in your mouth.
No, I wasn't trying to.
Hi, did you miss your seat?
I did.
Did you miss your car seat, my love?
Mom, can you pass me the bird?
Which one?
The bird there.
The bird? Look.
I'm gonna give it to her.
Play it up. Put it on your finger. Show it to her.
Tweet, tweet, avenue, party, party. Ah!
How does it feel, Daddy?
I forgot that I cleaned it before I left.
Yeah. Sobrang saya namin na kahit yung bahay. Pag-alis namin, nilinisan talaga.
I'm relaxed.
Still.
I'm relaxed, burger.
Pati yung sasakyan nilinisan na Daddy mo. So ngayon, pagpapasok, very clean. Alright guys, see you there. Hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta. See you there. See you. Open na. Wow. Welcome back in your car, Lini.
What's this? What's this?
I love you. Love you, Lini. Love you, ate.
What's this?
Si Madam Selena naglalakad na. Papuntang shop. Sisawin namin to. So we went for a quick drive before. Pumunta kami ng Kmart guys. Gusto mo pabili sa Ate Paris ng laruan na hatch ni Mom. Close kasi holiday. Kaya umuwi kami kaagad. And then yeah, we figured out meron pa kami time. Oh, you okay? To walk this back. Me too actually.
Daddy and daughter pasta.
You're gonna make pasta with Daddy tonight? She's very... Ito namang isa yan ng magpalapag sa pram. Lalakad. Good girl. Parang ako makapaniwala.
My, there's a dead bird.
Be. Miss ko na yung family ko doon.
Hi. Soy.
Oh. Yeah. Lagi naman kami nagano. Ilang beses na kami nag-video ko today. Mama tsaka yung sister ko. Airplane. What's that lang?
Let me ride it.
No. It's broken. See, it's old. Hey, alala. Come on. Ay, sauli na namin guys. Ayun na. Akala ko pas pa sila. Bibili sana ako ng gamitin ko paglaba. Close na sila early dahil sa public holiday. Come on. Let's go. Oh, I'm hungry now too. Very quiet. Di wala mas dako na mong bag ko. Ayun ko, Daddy. Ay, gosh, man, together. Gosh. How's your hand?
This way.
How's your hand?
This way. This way, girls.
I'll let you double turn.
Oh, that would be so yum. I miss my chicken teriyaki.
Runty.
What are you cooking for dinner, Ate?
Stop. Thank you.
Ate, what are you cooking for dinner?
Pasta.
What kind of pasta? Yeah, Paris pasta.
Daddy and Paris pasta.
Daddy and Paris pasta. Oh,
Oh, look at it looks so good.
oh, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Okay,
Why,
okay.
look at it. Look at the shape.
1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Ayan, ready na ang kanilang mga ingredients.
Now, next one. Can I get you to press this button here?
No.
Yeah.
Ate Paris, Daddy's helper. Oh, wait. Yum! Thank you, Chef! That's our chef for tonight.
I wonder who tonight's bucket filler is gonna be.
Ling Ling!
The first bucket filler of two. No, we're starting again now.